Oh hey! Before we get started with today's video, I want to announce that last Monday, September 24th, 2018, the Online Jewelry Academy passed a milestone, and I'd like to share it with you now. We want to thank all of you for your support over the last number of years. Now I'm going to share a fast video tip with you. We were going to make a longer video for you, but we've been kind of busy celebrating since last Monday. Enjoy! Hi, welcome to the Online Jewelry Academy. I'm Professor John R. and I'm your instructor. Surprise! Another pickle pot video. Well, I've done a lot of videos where I've talked about setting up a pickle pot, how to dispose of the spent pickle. I even showed you in one video how to use cone-shaped coffee filters to pickle your items when you have to share your pickle pot with a bunch of other people in the studio. It's great. You don't get your things mixed up. But if you have the luxury of a private pickle pot, then I've got just the thing for you. Ta-da! A plastic fantastic colander. This is great. It is not made of metal. Duh. No steel in the pickle pot. You put steel in the pickle pot, you're going to get a weird copper blush on things, and then you're going to be looking up my video on how to get rid of it. So save yourself the time and trouble and get yourself one of these. I got this one at the dollar store, and it's great. It allows the pickle to circulate so that your things get in and out of the pickle in no time and you don't have to cry over a copper blush. Now, if you like this video, you're going to find more like it on the onlinejewelryacademy.com. And don't forget, we regularly post helpful tips and unique items on social media, on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. And if you'd like to support the production of a future Online Jewelry Academy video, you can do so with a contribution through patreon.com. When you're on our website, don't forget to check out the link to our paid course called Colorful Silver Jewelry. This is a comprehensive beginning jewelry course that virtually teaches you everything that you need to know to start successfully making jewelry in your own studio. Hope you like this video. Be sure to like it, share it with your friends, subscribe, and come back next time. Thanks for watching.